Palmview specializes in palms, but they are also well known for their range of hibiscus. We take a sneak peek at the Hibiscus collection and some of the plants that they have in the pipeline.
So this here in the back is our signature palm plant. This is the pink butterfly. We left that on the top to grow because we've got a garden club coming. We've had two. We do workshops here.
Yeah.
We've had two garden clubs coming here. So we're showing them that if you want your standards to weep, then you need to cut the top.
Yes.
And you need to leave that to show them. So these are demo. These are two demo plants, just so they understand. And this is a mixture of both. So this one, they can cut on the top and round it, and then it can grow wild. Or this one, they can cut the top completely and just have this part weeping.
The kind of cascading branches.
Yeah, we had the McKinney Club coming. We've got the Kabalonga Club coming here, and we're just leaving this to show them. But it's our signature plant. It's called the weeping pink butterfly hibiscus. A very, very popular one in our nursery.
Is it?
Very popular, yeah.
They're lovely plants.
Yeah.
Because you grow quite a number of hibiscus.
We do. We'll show them, yeah. So our main line are palms and hibiscuses. Yeah. We've even planted our palms. They've been planted at the airport.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
The new airport.
The new airport. They got our palms there as you come out, and we're hoping they're hoping that they'll plant trees now. Just to give the airport some shade. Yeah. We're really hoping they'll do that.
In time, I suppose.
In time. They preferred to do. They were going to get trees from us, and we grew some trees for them, but they never got them. And we've got a huge lot of trees ready to go to the airport, but they never got them, Bernard? Yeah, they never did.
And obviously, with hibiscus, these are grown from cuttings, though, isn't it?
Yes, all of them, all of them, and you've got to.
As the contrast from your palms, which are all grown from the seed.
So these ones, you need to have a very good stem. We'll show you. We've got them down.
Yeah.
We'll show them to you in our production center. And another thing we did, Nico, here was that we've spread our shade houses everywhere because we didn't want to cut trees.
Yeah.
So we fitted our shade houses where we had less trees. To cut.
Where they'd accommodate into the landscape much better.
So we've got some here, some there, some there. So we're spread out, and we also grow a lot of like these. We like to grow them outside, so they don't go from the shade house to your garden and burn. Like we climatize them, we leave them outside, so when you get them, and you put them in your garden, they're not from the shade house and they burn. So we do that. And this is a jade vine, just coming to the end of it. And we're lucky, we've been struggling to grow. We lost like 4 of them through accidents, and this one survived, and we're very happy. I'm so sad it's at the end of it, but they're so beautiful.
Stunning colors on them, isn't it?
Beautiful colors,
Very difficult to propagate, from what I've heard. I've never tried myself. Effectively,
I heard that they need to have they're pollinated by bats.
No, I'm not 100% certain, because it's not common where we have, here in Zambia first and foremost. But in terms of, it's supposed to be able to be done by cuttings, but I think there's tricks.
I've never tried it. I've never tried. I got
probably
this
bottom
one.
Heat and things like that would be required.
A very good friend of mine brought it for me from Zimbabwe, so I'm very happy that we finally got one to grow. One of our puppies got the other one. Another one got damaged by the lawnmower, and so on and so forth. And finally, we got one to grow.
Yes, and now it's protected.
Yeah, it's protected.
So that the lawnmower doesn't do any more damage.
So this is our hibiscus house. So this year we're repairing all of this, and we're building it up, and we're going to put thing, what do you call it? A mesh, a grill, so we can walk over it. So this is our as you can see, it's winter now. We're not propagating.
But propagation will be starting soon, I take it,
very soon.
Because now that we are getting into warmer weather.
There's our bags there. Our bags are ready. You can come in. Let's go.
And it looks like you are doing what's it called? Hardwood propagation.
We do hard, soft. It all depends. We do all 3.
Oh, different cultivars might require a different type. Is it?
So this is our soils ready. All this will be full full of cuttings just now. Full of cuttings, this whole area.
Cuttings have started and we are going to full the whole area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It gets
And I suppose at that time of year,
Yeah.
you're running around.
busy.
Yeah.
Busy, yeah. So this time of the year we clean, we clean up, and the guys have a bit of a rest. You know, they're not. Work is not so intense. You know,
Yeah.
in winter, and sales are not so big in winter either. From now on, right up to May, we're getting very busy. Very busy. Yeah.
As we stand here, I'm just looking at all the hibiscus. Is there any specific hibiscus cultivars that are
We're a bit-
bigger sellers, or?
Yeah, the one that everybody loves is called Sunburst, but it's not in flower at the moment, is it, Mr. Zimba? It's not in flower, and the flowers are not very big at this time of the year.
Yeah.
They're not very.
We're not
big.
getting the dinner plate-sized flowers.
No,
that,
they're not. Yeah.
I suppose with hibiscus, it also tends to be that people like and go for the colors that they themselves like, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
And there's such
Very true,
an
yeah.
array of choice.
Yeah. This is called Kona. It's one of my favorite. It's not a hybrid. This is
But I'm assuming then that's also a Hawaiian.
no. This is not the Hawaiian
Oh, really?
ones. No.
Even with the name
no,
Kona?
No. Which one? Yeah, the Sunburst, and then what's
Fuchsia Delight?
what's this one? No. What's this one? But Leiden's not here. What?
You're caught by the...
Sorry. I'll remember just now. Just give me a minute and I'll give you the name.
Are the kind of bicolors more popular usually?
Yeah, they like those. That's one silver pearl. I've got a mental block.
How many hibiscus do you produce?
I should count. I can't remember. We've got so many. I can't. I've got to count and I'll let you know.
And Bernard, do you, at the sales outlet, do you then track which are being sold so that you can then say, oh, this one has been popular this year, or?
Yeah, I do that.
And does that then inform propagation
What is this
back here
one?
at the nursery?
Yes.
So you say, no, we've run out of
call him
Pink Rhapsody, we
George.
need more of
No,
those,
this
or
is
something
silver.
along
What's
those
that one
lines.
called?
Look at the tags. We have more
Oriental
some
Sun.
and others. So that goes with the trend.
Yes. And I suppose it's up and down on a yearly basis as different people are like, ooh, that
So
orange
this is
lovely.
one of our most popular ones. It's not a very big one. It's the size of this. Yeah. Okay. I've just remembered. It's Sharon Anne. This is called Sharon Anne,
That was Sharon Anne.
and this is a silver pearl, and that's Sunburst, and that's Kona.
Oh, this one, oops.
Sorry.
This one is Sunburst here.
that one there. Yeah, that one grows in the rainy season. It grows that big. Big.
Yeah.
You know, it's bigger than my palm. Yeah.
They're sold at this kind of size, is
Yeah,
it?
about that size, yeah. And these are a bit woody, so we're going to cut them back and we're going to regenerate them.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when they get woody like this, they're not very good. So we just waited for the weather to warm up, and then we'll cut here, we'll cut there,
And let it bush out
and let it bush out.
Yeah, because it's almost got what they call the
it's wood,
lion's
yeah.
tail, where it's
Yeah. So when
bare stem and then a bit of fluff at the.
So
at
if
the
they
tip,
don't
isn't it?
sell, if you overproduce and they don't sell, this is what happens to them, and then we just regenerate them.
Now, if that was taken and then planted in the ground, though, would you
No,
see?
you would still have a problem, I
Okay,
think. Yeah,
so it's not
they
going to-
wouldn't. Maybe they would grow there.
Yeah.
They become what we call woody. You know. Yeah. This is what they should look like when they start growing here. If you look there, yeah, those are healthy ones.
These were cuttings from last year.
These were the tail end of last year.
Oh, okay.
The tail end, and the ones that survived, they managed to survive the winter because of they were quite a good size, you know. And if you look at the cuttings, they were thick.
Yeah.
So they what we call size number 3. We do the size 1, size 2, size 3.
Yeah.
Because we've got the what you call it, the root horn,
Yes.
the rooters.
Yeah. Yeah, and these are all hardwood, effectively.
Yeah, these are
So,
hardwood. Yeah,
Mr. Zimba.
So we've got the softwood, medium wood, and hardwood.
Yeah. And Mr. Zimba, from when you place the cutting to a stage like this, normally, how long would that take?
To become like this,
Yeah.
takes 4 months.
4 months. Okay,
Yeah,
so
we
actually
now
quite quick.
change. So even now, we need to change it because now they have grown.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've got roots inside. We need to change it now to put inside 13 plastic like that size.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So it actually forms enough roots at this stage
Yes.
to then transplant.
We're just
and grow
waiting for the
bigger.
weather to be warm up a bit more.
Yeah.
Be more conducive, yeah.
Yeah, not to do it and then we get a cold spell
yeah,
like
yeah,
we've
yeah.
had.
They grow better, yeah, they grow better. So we don't throw anything away. We even keep our woody ones that we were not able to sell. We just cut them and regenerate them. Yeah. This is Pro Legato, but it's not very. Just cut me a Monet from there, a nice Monet from there. So this is called Pro Legato. Bernard, can I give you that one? Yeah. This is called Sibling. This one
I'll take
here.
Sibling.
That's Sibling.
And this one?
This one is called Grace Goo.
Grace Goo.
Grace Goo, yeah, that's called Grace Goo. This is called Golden Girl. This is called Almost Breathless.
Almost Breathless.
This is the Yellow Monet.
Even though it looks orange.
Yeah, and they call it Yellow Orange Monet, the Orange Monet. And this is Bleeding Heart. One of them is Bleeding Heart. And they're going to give us some more. This one's not a very good. I wanted to show you the Monet. Just cut me a Monet from there, Mr. Zimba. A nice one, this one.
How do you display all of these?
Okay, that one. Bring me that one. So, yeah.
It is a really good demonstration of what
Hold that one.
what kind of colors and interest you get from them.
Bleeding Heart. Yeah, so this one here is called Monet because can you see it after the paint because of the splash of paint on there? Can you see?
Nice kind of pastel-y color too.
But in the summer, in the rainy season, all these are like double the size. So these are Monet.
And your Bleeding Heart again.
This is the orange one. This is also the orange one. It's the same one. Can you see it's from the same family? But this is the orange one. This is the Monet. Yeah.
I still think I like this one the most.
Sibling. It's pretty. Yeah, very pretty. Okay, what's this one? I forgot. The Crown of Bohemia. Well done. This is Spanish Dancer. Crown of Bohemia, Spanish Dancer. This one grows as big as my hand. You know, in the rainy season. In winter, they just don't.
And you can see why they'd call it that with that kind of
Spanish
frill,
dancer,
as the dancers would have that on their
This is
dresses.
Crown of Bohemia, that one.
I never thought of it that way.
Is it?
Thank you, guys. Yeah. So
All
this
right,
is
there'll be a test next week on the names, everybody.
Yeah.